How to use Collectable sports memorabilia investing app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The surprising truth about the Collectable app is that it's not just for collectors, it's for investors who want to own a piece of sports history and profit from it. But most beginners use it like a marketplace, not an investment platform. Collectable lets you buy fractional shares of high-value sports memorabilia like Michael Jordan rookie cards or game-worn jerseys. But the first mistake people make is chasing hype. Not every item skyrockets in value. Always review the historical performance, player popularity, and asset scarcity before investing. Next, don't ignore the offering circular. It's not boring fine print, it tells you everything about the item's valuation, ownership, and projected returns. Understanding this helps you make smarter picks. Another mistake is treating these assets like short-term flips. Sports memorabilia often appreciate slowly, tied to athlete milestones or historical events. Be patient, real gains can take months or even years. Also, diversify your portfolio. Instead of putting all your money into one card or jersey, spread your investments across different sports or eras like baseball legends and modern stars. Finally, use the secondary market wisely. It allows you to sell your shares early, but check demand and trading volume first. Selling at the wrong time can cut your profits. When used properly, Collectable isn't about nostalgia, it's about opportunity. So study the assets, think long-term, and invest in what has both emotional and financial value. Because in this game, smart patience beats quick profit every time.